Here's a mind bender for you. The person you're looking at right now, me, doesn't exist. That's right. This voice, this face, even these expressions, completely fake. All thanks to AI. But here's the kicker. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create content just as convincing, with tools so powerful they'll leave people questioning what's real and what's not. Let's jump right in. Let's talk about how you can create professional, viral videos in just a few clicks using TopView AI. This tool is a complete game changer. With just a product URL, it generates a full video for you, complete with a high-quality script, voiceover, and lifelike AI avatars. Let me show you exactly how it works. To get started, check the description below for the link to TopView AI. Click on it, and you'll head straight to the platform. Here's something fascinating. TopView AI offers ultra-realistic avatars that look just like actual humans. For affiliate marketers, this is gold. Adding a face to your videos creates a personal connection, which builds trust. Trust equals conversions, and conversions mean sales. Step 1. Sign in to TopView AI. At the top of the page, click Sign In and register using your Google account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on a clean, intuitive dashboard. The dashboard offers options for generating videos tailored to various platforms, including Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, eBay, TikTok, and more. The versatility here is mind-blowing. For this example, I'm going to show you how to use this tool for Amazon affiliate marketing. First, open a browser and search Amazon movers and shakers on Google. Click the first result. It'll take you to a page showcasing trending products with skyrocketing sales ranks over the past 24 hours. This is an excellent tool for identifying products with high demand. And for this demo, I've picked the Amazon Fire Kids tablet. It's a hot seller right now, with over 20,000 glowing reviews, a clear sign of strong market demand. Copy the URL of the product. Hey, if you're still watching, I'm guessing you're finding this useful, right? Subscribing not only supports me, but ensures you'll never miss out on powerful tools like this to boost your productivity. I genuinely appreciate it. It makes such a difference. Now, head back to TopView AI and paste that URL in the product link area. Once that's done, click Create Video. The AI immediately analyzes the URL and retrieves the most relevant images and video clips for your product. The best part? You don't need to search for visuals. TopView AI takes care of that. When the media appears, you can select the ones you like. If there's anything you don't need, uncheck it. After making your selection, hit Continue. If you have custom product photos or videos, you can upload those too, giving you full control over the final video. In the Create a Video About section, the AI automatically extracts product information from the URL to focus your video on key selling points. Just below that, in the video brief, you'll see key details summarized. Feel free to tweak or add points as needed to make the video exactly how you want. Here's where it gets really exciting: the avatars. TopView AI offers over 100 ultra-realistic avatars representing diverse ages, ethnicities, and styles. These avatars are incredibly lifelike, which is perfect for making your videos feel personal and professional. If you prefer not to include an avatar, you can skip this feature by selecting the empty bar, but for this demo, let's pick one. I'll go with a friendly female avatar with a casual vibe, perfect for this product. Once you've chosen, click Confirm. Now let's talk voiceovers. The AI includes more than 100 realistic voices, ranging in gender, age, and tone. It even supports multiple languages, over 20 to be exact. Let's sample a few voices.
Welcome to TopView.ai, the ultimate.
For this video, I'm choosing an American female voice. Once you're happy with your pick, click Confirm. Then, select the language for your video. I'm sticking with English here, but if you're targeting a global audience, you can easily choose another language to reach more viewers. Aspect ratio is next. For platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram, the 9:16 vertical format works best. If you're planning a horizontal video for YouTube or other long-form platforms, switch to the 16:9 ratio. When everything's set, click Generate. The AI draws insights from over 5 million popular TikTok and YouTube videos to create 3 unique scripts using GPT-4. Review the options and choose the one that fits your goals best. Personally, I'm going with the first script. It's concise, engaging, and works perfectly for this product. Want to customize it further? No problem. Click Edit, and you'll have access to additional tools. For instance, click the music icon to browse royalty-free background tracks. Pick a tune that complements your video, and adjust the sound levels for the perfect balance. If you need to replace any visuals, go back to the editing dashboard. Simply click on the clip you want to swap, choose a better option, and hit Confirm. Want to adjust the subtitles? Click on the A icon to modify font styles, sizes, and placement. For a polished look, select Cover in the background fill mode. This ensures your video fits perfectly on the screen. Add smooth transitions between scenes to keep things dynamic and engaging. Once you're happy with the edits, click Export. Don't worry if the lip sync looks a little off during the preview. The AI perfects it during the export process.
Is your kid still reading boring old books? They could be exploring a whole new world. Parents everywhere are going crazy for this. I had to test it myself, and wow! Meet the Amazon Fire 7 Kids tablet. It's not a toy, it's a game changer. Enjoy 1 year of ad-free Amazon Kids Plus. Got a kid who loves Disney and PBS? It's got your back with a kid-proof case. Stream on Netflix or Disney Plus safely. Grab this gem now before it flies off. Comment below if your kid needs this.
And there you have it, the final product. Doesn't it look fantastic? Notice how the avatar moves naturally and presents the product like a pro. The scenes switch every 3 to 4 seconds, keeping the video fresh and attention-grabbing. If you're outsourcing, a video like this could easily make you over $200. With TopView AI, you can try it for free and export up to 2 videos with a watermark. To unlock more features and remove watermarks, upgrading to the starter plan is well worth it. In my next video, I'll guide you step by step on setting up your store and promoting products effectively using platforms like YouTube Shorts and Pinterest. These strategies will help you drive traffic and generate leads with ease. If you've made it this far, you're awesome. Seriously, thank you for sticking around. Subscribing would mean a lot to me, and I promise the next video will be packed with even more value, like setting up your store and driving traffic effectively. Hit that subscribe button so we can continue this journey together.